Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Lena Payne Celebration of Life manicure. I've started off with Dainty Digits Glitter Be Gone, and I'll be using this Kiss Gel Strong called Dressy. I'm going to go in for my first coat of this. Now this manicure is a recreation of one of Lena's from her Instagram account. I will have it linked down below if you'd like to go look at her manicures. And real quick, I want to say how much I really truly enjoyed having her in my life. She was a constant since I started my channel. She always left comments and watched what I was doing. We got to know each other really well, and she will be very much missed. I'm going to hang on to all the emails and text messages and Instagram messages, and that way I can go back and still remember. So I am going to top this one here with some of the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat to get it to dry down. Now I don't know that this was the polish Lena used in her manicure. She didn't have any notations of what exactly it was. So I'm just going to go with what I have that looks similar. I've got my scraper and stamper out, and I'll be stamping with Braves Diva Shutout. And I'll be using this You Are Beautiful plate. I'll try to remember to link it down below, but I know Lena actually used a Born Pretty plate for her manicure. It had the same image on it. And here we go. We're going to plop that down on the nail. I'm trying to center that big circle in the middle of the nail. And I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and try to get a little bit of this excess. Now in conjunction with this is a collab that I am doing with Elle from Polished Panther, and I will have a link for her channel down below. She's the one that actually alerted me of Lena's passing, and because she knew how close we were. I really appreciate that. But I would really love for you to go check out Polished Panther's channel and see what she's got going on. So I am putting this design on 3 nails, the pointer, middle, and ring finger. I'm leaving the pinky and the thumb open, and you know, that way you can still see some of the polishes. So here we go. We're going to do a little bit of cleanup with my cleanup brush. Now after I got done doing this, I realized that maybe the polish Lena had used either was one I didn't own, or it was one of the duochromes from Braves Diva. She's holding a Braves Diva polish bottle in her swatch photo, and I'm thinking it's one of the duochromes that looked kind of blue or kind of green. So if y'all can help me figure that out, that would be lovely. I'm adding some of these little studs. I've added my No Smudge top coat first, and now I'm adding a coat of Poshe, and I'm going to use this as my glue to stick my gems on with. Here we go. Got some woody going on here. Trying to get this up. I do have one of those wax pencils, and I just don't think to pull it out. So I'm going to center that right there in the middle. Tapping it down. I apologize for the lawnmower. It's either tea kettles or lawnmower. Pick your choice. So here we go. I've added some sticky to this end of woody so that the next one might be easier to pick up. And I'm going to apply a fresh coat of top coat here. And then add this little bead, this little gem. So I do have a swatch photo coming up. I want to thank you all for watching. I want to thank you all for thinking of Lena and her family. And most of all, I want to thank you for watching. And until next time, be good to yourself.